How do you overcome driving anxiety? Please type that in. That's a big one. How do you overcome driving anxiety? Type it in for me. And for many of you, it's not practicing. So a lot of you are just looking for the quick answer. So that's wrong. Okay, how do you overcome driving anxiety? The answer is start small. This could be first putting your keys, opening the door, sitting in the car, and getting back out of the car, going back in the house. We don't know what emotional trauma you've been through. Some of you have been in a lot of traumatic experiences. Then next you get the keys to the car, put on your seatbelt. Some of you don't put on your seatbelt. You put on your seatbelt and you start the car. Keys out, shut the car down, into the house. Everyone is different. You start small. You take short drives. This could be you getting into the car, starting it up, maybe backing out of the driveway, coming onto the street, going back into the driveway, shutting it off, going back into the house. Everyone is at a different level of trauma and anxiety. Everyone is different. The next, this could be driving in a familiar area. You get your keys, you get into the car, you lock the door, put on the seatbelt, you start it up. You wait a few minutes. You drive around the block. You come back home, on the driveway, shut it down, lock the door, go into the house. Next, this would be practicing relaxation techniques. If you're hyperventilating when you're in the car, calm down, short press, gradual exposure. Everyone's different.
Close your eyes.